Hey friends, if you wish to configure or change feedback frequency in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I'll guide you through the procedure and also my personal advice. So, right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now, on the list on the left hand side, go to privacy and security. In the right pane, select diagnostics and feedback. Okay, now scroll down and you'll find the section for feedback frequency. Now, it is set to automatically because that's what Microsoft wants you to do. You can change it to always in the sense that they will always keep on sending feedback. But why? Or even once a day or once a week, whatever you want. I just set it to never because why should I send feedback to Windows or why should I send my data to Windows? Okay, when you're sending feedback to Windows or Microsoft, you're obviously sending your data as well. So why would I do that, and rather I actually just delete the diagnostic data once in a while so that they don't keep it here. Okay, and even then they won't delete it immediately. It says once you delete your data here, we will start removing the copies from our system. If you have a Microsoft account, you may have additional diagnostic data that you can delete from a privacy dashboard. So whenever I install Windows on my computer, I just change the feedback frequency to never, and I disable all this diagnostic data and all. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.